The future of machines isn't what you expect. Rigid metal gears are quickly becoming obsolete. Today, we explore a revolutionary mechanical shift. Welcome to the incredible world of soft robotics. These flexible machines mimic nature's designs. They promise astonishing capabilities for tomorrow. Imagine robots navigating internal human organs or exploring deep-sea trenches with ease. Unlike traditional robots, soft robots are compliant. They are built from elastomers, silicones, and gels. These materials allow unprecedented shape-shifting. Fluidic actuators often power their movements. They use air or liquid pressure for articulation. This design enables gentle, adaptive interactions. It's a paradigm shift in mechanical engineering principles. A key milestone arrived with Harvard's Octobot. In 2016, it became the first untethered soft robot. This tiny device moved autonomously using gas. Other early examples include soft grippers. These grippers can safely handle delicate objects. They manipulate items a rigid hand could crush. Researchers at MIT also created soft artificial muscles. These robust muscles lift objects 1,000 times their weight. Medical applications are perhaps most transformative. Soft robots could perform minimally invasive surgery. They might deliver targeted drugs inside the body. Imagine ingestible robots diagnosing diseases early. Their compliance reduces tissue damage significantly. Search and rescue operations will also benefit greatly. Soft robots can squeeze through rubble and debris. Deep-sea exploration gains new, robust explorers. Space missions could use them for sample collection. Even consumer products might incorporate soft mechanics. Think adaptive wearables or assistive devices. Powering these flexible machines remains a challenge. Controlling their complex movements requires innovation. Durability of soft materials under stress is crucial. Researchers develop self-healing polymers constantly. Advancements in artificial intelligence enhance control. The future will see more integration with smart materials. Soft robotics is redefining mechanical possibilities. It merges engineering with biological inspiration. This technology promises a safer, more adaptive world. The quiet revolution is already well underway. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe for more deep dives.